Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today my Yarnable subscription. So let's take a look and see what it is. And here goes the crinkle. Let's drag it out and get rid of the plastic paper. Okay, so we've got the yarn, which I'll set over here to the side. I'll put on my glasses so I can read some stuff to you. Alright, so the first thing we have is a tape measure, and it's on both sides. And, oh, it's a metal tape measure. It's nice, it's metal. Very nice. Let's see. I'm going to see how long it is. Oh, it's a long one. Goes up to 78.5 inches. That's a long tape measure. That's nice, and it's retractable. Very nice, very nice. Second thing we have here is a Bella and Bear Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful Tropical Travel Pack. Right there. And it's proudly vegan, as you can see. And it says, Hawaiian shampoo for beachy hair on the go. Release your inner mermaid. Hawaiian conditioner for hair that is soft, full, and smells like a holiday. Ocean spray, foaming salt scrub. Your all-in-one scrub and wash. The Tropics face mask to tighten and brighten so you can get your glow on. How awesome is that? Nice. That's cool. And that can be, if you're interested, that can be found at bellaandbear.com. That sounds nice, and it's in this nice little packet. Nice. I'm not going to open that yet. No. And we've got, let's see what it says about it. Pamper yourself with a collection of 4 1-ounce sachets, including shampoo, conditioner, body scrub, and face mask. It is plant-based, sustainable, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan. Yarnable logo tape measure, because every Notions pouch needs a tape measure. We think you can never have enough of this handy little tool. And then we've got this. There's the back. And there's the front. Reusable Swedish cloth, designed by Yarnable and produced by Swedish Cloths. It replaces up to 17 rolls of paper towels with just one eco-friendly Swedish cloth. How nice is that? That's pretty cool. This is March's Yarnable, and it is rest, relax, recharge. Rest and self-care are so important. When you take time to replenish your spirit, it allows you to serve from the overflow. You cannot serve from an empty vessel. Nice. International Self-Care is celebrated July 24th. It stresses the importance of self-care as the cornerstone of wellness. On this day, individuals throughout the world are encouraged to make self-care a part of their everyday routines and turn it into a priority. That's cool. Let's see. Okay. And next we have the yarn. And I have 2. They're identical. So let's open one of them. Just one. And this is stunning. There it is, Yarnable. And look at these colors. Look at the greens in that. Oh, I'm in love with this. So this is called Rest, Relax, Recharge. This is on, I have plush DK. It is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon. There are 246 yards per skein and 100 grams. So I have 2 skeins of this. And this is stunning. I loves it. Oh, and it's super squishy soft. I like this. So yes, I do have 2 skeins. And yes, if you're wondering, they are identical. I mean, there's the variations because of the dye process, but they are identical. Oh my, what should I make? I don't know, but aren't they gorgeous? Any suggestions on what I should make? These are so beautiful. They smell good. They're so soft. I don't know what I should make, but I love them. I really, really like them. And I'm actually going to stick them both in one bag. See, they both fit in one. I really like these. I don't know what I'm going to make. I don't know. I'm open for suggestions. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me get that reflection off. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. If you like, go sign up for Yarnable. They're pretty amazeballs. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.